name is D'Angela Collins. This is Drew, and this is Andre. The decision to choose St. Francis was an easy one. One, I worked here. Two, my OBGYN was here, Dr. Eichelberry. So it was only right when we reached a certain amount of weeks that St. Francis would be the choice. Overall, the stay was awesome. All the way from the nurses to the doctors, the anesthesiologists, everybody was a great team.
From the time I got to triage, I didn't really have to ask for anything. The nurses came and made me feel at home. I was by myself at first because I wasn't expecting to go into labor. It was unexpected, so I didn't have anything prepared. I didn't even have a bag packed, so I didn't have to ask for anything. They provided it. Things I didn't even know I needed, they made sure that I had before even asking. The bilirubin levels were high in one of them, and then the sugars was low in one of them, which it was kind of opposite. So ended up with Andre, he had the bilirubin, so even when we left, we just had to follow up with their doctor. But the staff explained everything to us. You know, they helped with the breastfeeding, help with, logging everything, knowing, what's normal and what's not normal, because 7 years is a long time gap. So I was still kind of like a new mom, so it was kind of fresh for us, but they helped with everything. I came back to St. Francis to deliver my sixth baby because Dr. Real delivered all my kids. She's like family to me at this point. I couldn't imagine going to another hospital just because I've built that bond with Dr. Real. I've had great experiences from the time I came in to the time I left. I've always been treated like family, and I was really comfortable here.
Even when the anesthesiologist came in, he talked with me because I didn't have an epidural with my first child, so this was way different for me. So he really talked me through the experience, made me feel very comfortable. Me and my husband. So with that, even when I felt like the pain was trying to increase, he came back in, talked with me, and adjusted it. So that was great for me.